Is it the right time to buy or sell Phunware stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Phunware. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 24, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 18, 2024, our system has identified Phunware as a strong candidate to buy, with a score of 2.57. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 42.87% since we first recommended Phunware as a buy candidate just 5 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 8.57% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are signals indicating a potential further rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 5.35% change over the next 3 months. The potential return on investment falls between -76.23% and 31.04%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a suggested -69.37% change over the next year. The potential return on investment is expected to be between -100% and -62.28%. This indicates a price range of $0 to $0.130 after 1 year. Our latest update for Phunware highlights the recent stock price movement. On Wednesday, the stock price of Phunware Inc. experienced high volatility and ended trading at $0.346. The stock price of Phunware Inc. dropped by 19.54% on the last day, January 24, 2024, from $0.430 to $0.346. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 31.68%, reaching a low of $0.333 and a high of $0.439. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances and has increased by a significant 351.57% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume declined by 172 million shares on the last day, with a total of 367 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $126.84 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $1.15, while the lowest price was $0.0701. Currently, the price is 69.92%, or 80 cents, lower than the 52-week high and 99.94%, or $549.65, lower than the all-time high reached on January 10, 2019, when the price peaked at $550. Analysts have given Phunware stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. In this video, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Phunware. Phunware Inc. stock is showing positive indicators from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast for the stock. The relation between these two signals also indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of a downward correction, there is support at $0.316 and $0.132. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, but there have also been some negative signals that could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 23, 2024, resulting in a -19.54% decrease so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. On the last trading day, both volume and price decreased, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to keep an eye on for your investments. First up is the moving average convergence divergence. It's showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average also gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal 8 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal 8 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and see what it reveals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal 8 days ago. For more signals and insights, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Phunware. Today's level does not provide any support from accumulated volume, indicating that the stock may perform poorly in the upcoming days. This stock is known for its high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. The Bollinger Band also suggests a wide prediction interval, further highlighting the very high-risk nature of this stock. In the previous day, the stock had a price range of $0.106, equivalent to a 31.68% difference between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 38.68%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Phunware, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. Established companies can go through downturns due to various factors, but consistently negative PE ratios might indicate insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Phunware in Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.0500. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we will be discussing potential day trading levels for Phunware. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Phunware is at $0.359. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. It's crucial to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Phunware from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Snavely Michael sold 46,289 shares of common stock. On January 17, 2024, Snavely Michael sold 273 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. bought 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. bought 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Snavely Michael sold 83,903 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 57.234. Overall, insiders purchased 9,436,046 shares and sold 2,709,406 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $0.326, which represents a decrease of 5.72%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in higher risks for investors. As a result, caution is advised. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 1 day ago. Is Phunware stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that there may be a buying opportunity for Phunware Incorporated stock in the near future. Our analysis shows that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, January 25th, we anticipate Phunware to open up by $0.0268 and start trading at $0.373. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise speaking with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss our current view on a particular stock. We value your input, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest analysis. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.